So today I'm going to share with you my version of Snoop Dogg's favourite potato salad, taught to me by his uncle at the Point Depot. Yes, I still call it the Point Depot, all those years ago when I was his caterer when he played here. So, let's get cracking. What you need is 2 beautiful scallions. For people who aren't Irish, that's spring onions. 4 medium spuds, preferably roosters. Garlic, basically 1 large clove, finely chopped up. So let's get cracking. I'm not going to bore you with chopping vegetables in front of you, but this is the size cube that you want for your potatoes. We're going to steam them, not boil them. Please don't boil them, as the texture is completely wrong in my opinion. So into a double pan. You don't need to actually go out and buy the double steamers. As you can see, just a pan with just your regular colander and put a little lid on it. Et voila, that's it. Meanwhile, you're going to cut up your scallions nice and thin. Finely diced your garlic. We've got Dijon mustard. Snoop's uncle used American mustard. I prefer Dijon. I've got a lovely mayonnaise here. This is actually a plant-based mayonnaise. You can use any mayonnaise you like, but I have a lovely planty staying with me at the moment, so I'm keeping it plant-based. Salt and pepper. So, our potatoes are cooked. I'm going to test it with a skewer. They're perfect. Let's grab ourselves a bowl. Now you are going to use warm potatoes in this recipe. Don't use cold because it doesn't work as well. So here we go. We have our garlic. That is 1 large garlic, finely chopped up. We have a whole tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Get that all in. 2 of your lovely scallions, spring onions, our mayonnaise. Okay, you want to get all that mayonnaise in. Waste not, want not. Now we're going to get a fork. I want to actually turn it into mashed potato. You just want to get that lovely rough texture. Snoop Dogg's uncle, sorry, can't remember his name, put his in a food processor and actually turned it into a mashed potato, like a cold mashed potato salad. I prefer it this way. So after you got your potato just nicely mushed, lovely black pepper, gorgeous sea salt. Please do not use table salt. So just mix in your salt and pepper. Shall we just have a little taste? So good.